Do you want to know how you can create yourself an Otter AI account using your Microsoft account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create yourself an Otter AI account using your Microsoft account. Go ahead and open Otter.ai on your Chrome or Edge browser and then click Start for free. Now click Get Started on the free section and click Continue with Microsoft. It will lead you to this separate page where you can write down your login details. Go ahead and write down your info about your mail and then press Next. After pressing Next, go ahead and log in to your account. Press Accept. Wait for a while. And then you will log into your Microsoft account and then you will create yourself an Otter AI account using Microsoft. Press continue and then option will come to install Slack. If you want to install it, just go ahead and click install Otter for Slack or else click remind me later. And then the Otter AI's page will open up. This was a video on how you can create an Otter AI account using your Microsoft account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.